regard, but I can take the thing.
Okay.
Listening for here in a few moments.
I didn't know it was today, so
Talking about the operation.
we'll talk about fake news, CNN. Okay, I like CNN. Lafleur, is it Guy Lafleur? Guy Lafleur, I don't think so. Louis Lafleur, I think it is. Anyway, Louis Lafleur is a cop from Fredericton Police Force. Yeah, I'm coming. And he was caught drunk behind a wheel. A cop. Okay. So, this is the headline. I didn't read the story. Cop in impaired case, very glad is over. Okay, so I'm sure he really got a stiff sentence for being drunk behind the wheel. A cop. Let's see. I never read it yet. A Fredericton Police Force officer who pleaded guilty in February to an impairment charge has been given a conditional discharge. Let's keep on reading. Judge Pierre Dubé granted the discharge in the case of Sergeant Lou Lafleur, so he can seek curative treatment, an option that allows a defendant with an alcohol or drug problem to avoid a criminal record provided he or she has positive prognosis for recovery. Lafleur will now face a police act investigation into the incident. That probe will be led by the Department Office of Professional Standard. The 50-year-old, currently on workers' compensation and not working as a police officer, having admitted to having care and control of her motor vehicle. Okay, we're not going to read the whole thing. I am glad, very glad it's over, Lafleur said. It's been a long process, but I take responsibility for my action. Police were called to process the woman driving kept on going. Lafleur arrested, charged, even though he previously said that he was just a passenger in the vehicle. A cop lying. Whoa. I was in care and control of the vehicle, and regardless of how I got there or any other situation involved, it's important that I take responsibility. Why did you lie in the first place? For those actions, move forward, seek help. Therapy and some issues in my life. Oh yeah, he contacted the media, 6-7 months ago, that he had PTSD. Defense counsel, TJ Burt, okay, said his client suffered from PTSD, here we go, connected with the incident that occurred in the 1990s. I think that's when, is it when he drove the police cruiser and hit somebody on Brunswick Street that died? I think that's what it is, I'm not sure, it doesn't say. And that alcohol abuse was a side effect of that. I was an excuse to have a beer. Dubé accepted a joint recommendation from the defense and the Crown to allow the conditional discharge and curative treatment. It was Lafleur's first offense. He was placed on probation for 12 months and prohibited from driving for 1 year. He must also follow all psychological treatment as prescribed, abstain from alcohol, and pay pay a fine, surcharge $100. That's funny. Every citizen that pleads guilty to driving, they usually get a fine of $1,000 to $1,300. And Hammy didn't get nothing. Oh yeah, that's right, he's a cop.